less than 10 seconds.
In this body-conscious world that we live in, not a single soul can get away without somebody pointing out where that little extra mass is accumulating. Not even the Earth. The Earth has a bit of a bulge around the middle, as happens to a lot of people. But Raminder's here to tell us that it's not necessarily because they've been eating a lot of ho-hos or Twinkies. The Earth gets that bulge because of the rotation of the Earth. But using a slinky, Raminder's going to explain why the Earth and other planets as well have this little extra bulge around the equatorial region.
As you can see, as I spin faster and faster, the bulge forms near the end of the slinky. And this is responsible for the Earth's extra bulge, and as well as other planets such as Jupiter and Saturn, which have a large bulge near their equatorial regions. Here's your slinky back.
That's great. Thanks, Raminder. You know, this was my wife's slinky. It was an engagement gift. But anyway, I'm glad you were able to destroy it in the name of science. But what we were seeing there was, I guess, a accumulation of this mass out near the edge of the slinky, that bulge that was happening.
So for the Earth, this bulge is about 20 kilometers or so.
Nothing a low-carb diet can't take care of. Yeah.
No, so what happens is, it's Newton's first law. At the equator, it's spinning a little bit faster. And if the Earth was to stop, those regions would want to fly off into space a bit faster. Okay. So you have this bit more accumulation of mass there, so it's a bit heavier there.
What about a larger planet like
Jupiter? A larger
Jupiter?
planet, like, for example, Jupiter. Jupiter is made of gas, and gas is a bit more, malleable than, say, something like the Earth, which is solid. And Jupiter spins a lot faster than the Earth. So this difference between Jupiter's polar radius, that's the distance from the core of Jupiter to the North Pole, is about 5,000 kilometers less than the distance from Jupiter's core all the way to its equator.
So it has quite a big bulge, a 5,000 kilometer bulge. Mm-hmm. Cool, excellent. Well, I wouldn't suggest trying this at home unless you have a lot of slinkies and you're willing to sacrifice one. And when you look at yourself in the mirror and you think, oh, at least you can do something about it. The Earth can't do anything about this bulge, and neither can Jupiter. And I guess if you are feeling body conscious, don't spin around in a circle really fast, because that actually might make it worse. From the H.R. MacMillan Space Center for the Express, I'm Cam Cronin.
Raminder Samra.
And you know what? Just love you the way you are.